Sky Organics Vitamin E Oil is a super rich, moisturizing face and body oil that's designed to nourish dry skin, make it baby soft, hydrated, and super radiant. Now, I have very dry skin that, depending on the season, can get really flaky and very, very uncomfortable. And because my skin is also super sensitive, some of those heavy creams out there just make my skin freak out even more. The vitamin E oil packs more moisture than any other cream out there, and it's made with only 4 ingredients: rosehip oil, vitamin E, jojoba, and soybean oil. Those are very recognizable ingredients, and that's it. No fragrance, no weird fillers, no preservatives, none of that nasty stuff. And it's gluten-free. The rosehip and soybean oils are natural sources of antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental damage, and they give it that radiant, dewy glow that we all love so much. The jojoba oil, combined with the 36,000 IUs of vitamin E, bring on that moisture that lasts all day long, which is exactly what my skin needs. And I love that I can use it on my face and my body too, because it's one less product that I need to keep on my shelf. Now, if I'm feeling really dry, I'll use it on its own in place of my moisturizer. And because it's so rich, a little bit goes a long way. So I just use 2 drops, and that will cover my face and my neck. And I just put it onto my palm, I rub it in and warm it up, and I pat it on my face to get that glowy, moisturized look. Now, you can use it on its own just like I did, or you can combine it with your daily moisturizer or body lotion for an extra boost. It helps brighten the appearance of skin. It helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks and scars if you use it over time. How amazing is that? So your skin is left looking soft and radiant and moisturized. Who could ask for anything more?